So now let's go ahead and put this bad boy back together. So in doing that, I'm going to put the spring right on top. See if we can get this to stand up. Spring right on top right there. I'm going to grab this right here. This right here is where your lever goes in. So the lever goes on, I don't know, on the side where the holes are right there. You can see, so just make sure the lever is right there. Just going to drop that in from the inside, from the back. So you just go ahead and put that, line that up in the slot, slide her down, nice and easy. Pinch it together a little bit, check your button. Button looks good. Actually, I think this looks good. Just double check it here. Looks like it. Okay, nice and springy. And so now we go in reverse. Put your 4 back in. I would just snug these guys up because it is going into plastic, so it can just go in. I know, because that's part 1. Remember? Oh. So, and then once you get those 4 in. Okay, and let's see here. I had to take a quick break there, so let's finish screwing those back in. Snug them up, not too tight, but you know, let's give them a little bit. And once you get that in, now you're going in reverse. So the next set would be these 2 on top. So I'm going to drop those 2 in right there. Okay, so now we're going to slide, oh actually we got these 2 right here, and those go inside too. You don't want to forget those guys. And then we're done with the inside and that. Pop this, slide this cover back on, line that up. Start with that side one. Oh boy, I gotta take another break. Alright, let's see, what was it? Where were we here? Okay, we just got this back one in. And then we got these 4 and then the 2 in the back. 2 long ones go in the back. And then we got these 4. Alright, once you get these 4 in, just 2 more, and that's pretty much it. Another thing you can do once you got the top off of the box mag and stuff like that is maybe dust it out. I usually use like a paintbrush or something like that to get in there. So, make sure you don't got any debris in there of any kind. Pretty much these last 2 screws, and that's going to be it. So yeah, by doing this pretty much fixed the box mag to the way it was when I first got it. I never had any problems with it, and slowly it would just start missing, dry firing once or twice over here and there. So that's it. Good to go. And that's it. Thanks for watching.